Huh, what do we have here? Ah, our new Alien Sunshade grips for the Jeep. Let's go take a look and throw these on. So what we have here are the new Paracord grips for the Jeep JL. And these are new to Alien Sunshade, and we have the Alien Sunshade top. So they contacted us and asked us if we'd be willing to go ahead and install these on our Jeep and give them some feedback. And of course, sure, we'd be willing to do that. So we went ahead and hooked up with them and purchased these, and we'll be throwing these on the Jeep to see how they work. Now these are great. They just Velcro on and off, and you can see they just pull right through there. So this should be a very simple, straightforward install. So let's go ahead and throw these on and see how they fit. So here we'll go ahead and throw these on, and we'll put the Alien tag to the front. Seem like they should be fairly simple, just weave right through the fittings. And then pull them taut and Velcro them in. And repeat on the next one. Move our Alien Sunshade straps out of the way. Pull it up and through, then back down and through. Pull it taut again. Should be good to go. And then repeat it one more time on the front one. Let's see how you like that new grip, Wyatt.
Okay. Can we keep that on even with the doors?
Yep. Does that work out? Is that going to be in the right spot for you? You like it? Does it feel strong?
Yes.
You going to break the Jeep?
Maybe.
It's pretty strong, huh? So I can see us cruising down the street with these. Feels nice and secure. I like it. Alright, buddy, let's not get too carried away. So I think these are a nice upgrade. So that wraps up the install of the Alien Sunshade Paracord grips. If you guys are looking for grips, these seem to be very solidly made. Alien Sunshade always provides their best stuff. Of course, we have the Alien Sunshade sun top still on here, and the front and the back, and we're very happy with that. Now we've got these grips on here they gave us the opportunity to get, and I wanted to get some grips anyway, so it was a good excuse to step up and get these. And so far so good. They installed easily. You can position them forward or back or wherever you want, so hopefully these will hold up and live up to the Alien Sunshade reputation, and we'll follow up and let you guys know how that goes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Throw us a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Check out some of our previous videos we did. Follow us. You're able to follow us and sign up on our Patreon if you'd like to support us that way. Doing so helps us to produce more videos, purchase more items to do videos on for content for you guys. So please follow us on Patreon, sign up for that, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.